Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Grubhub Partner Program Portal on mobile. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Grubhub Partner Program Portal on your mobile device, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store relevant to your device. For iPhone users, this will be the App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Grubhub for restaurants. After typing, tap the search icon. Look for the official Grubhub for Restaurants app in the search results. Confirm that the app is published by Grubhub Incorporated. To ensure authenticity. Once you find the correct app, tap on it to open the app page. On this page, look for the Install button. For iPhone users, this button will show as Get. Tap the Install or Get button to initiate the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Grubhub for Restaurants app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If not, follow the prompts to create a new account. After logging in, you can access the Grubhub Partner Program Portal directly from your mobile device. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features and functionalities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.